Woo! Let's put the seatbelts back on. So we're gonna be all legal and legit when we enter the world's greatest truck stop. Maybe not the world's greatest, but pretty legit. But anyways, we are headed to Kenly 95. We're already here. Just up in this junky hotel of mine. And now it's time to visit the owners of Kenly and have a little chat. So let's have this without no breakfast, no coffee, no nothing. I just head out there, do what I gotta do, and shebang. And then we got a truck show later on today, and we got a truck show down on Sunday, so that should be fun as well. But anyways, let's head out there where we gotta head out. And look at that to your right. I think I did 12 hours yesterday. I had to go from Jersey down upstate to Pennsylvania, and then all the way straight down here to Kenly in North Carolina. So roughly 12 hours, man. So yesterday was kind of tough, and it was like not planned, just like out of nowhere. Like woke up 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock in the morning. Well, didn't wake up, I woke up earlier, but anyways, I got on the phone 10 or 11. Got the phone call, like, yo, we need you here. But anyways, I gotta drop off my my t-shirt spinner. They've been asking it for so long, and I never, I've always told them I got it, I'll bring it over soon. And no excuses, I gotta do it now. Well, this is a nice, cute. You've probably been here. All truck has been here, man. Nice big stop on 95 going down south. On exit 106, yeah, 106. Next exit over, which is 104. You got the big boys, another like known truck stop. But this one is obviously my favorite since they carry my stuff. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But anyways, let's see. I want to go in the truck lot later on and see if there's any good legit trucks. Let's go check this out. Old world famous Kenly 95. Always with the Prowler inside, just like their sister Chrome Shop down in Iowa 80 also got I forget the name of the truck, but they got a truck inside the store. She a little dirty, but she got, look at that ride. Nice. It's still Friday, so everybody's out and about making money. Let's go inside, see what they got. Hey, they do got plenty. Look at that. They got this truck inside. I think this truck was on the other side. Was it? I think so, yeah. The full trailer. There's your accessories. They got everything you want for any kind of truck you want. Well, let's check out the Prowler a little closer. You want exhaust? There you go, baby. There's exhaust. It's a nice little truck. Ah, they locked it. They locked it because probably everybody's was coming inside and breaking the pieces. But look at that wiring job. Woo! Somebody's got to work on that, baby. I like them headlights though. Maybe, maybe not. But anyways, I think we need some New Jersey polisher up here and get this come on organized, man. And some Vans, tire shine on this. Make her look, pretty once again. Let's get out of here. Let's see. It's a big store. And I just noticed I just cleaned my lens. Look at that. I think it's much cleaner than it was before. So here's the Prowler once again. And that's how this whole store looks. And here you go. As I roll in, this is a must in your collection. Whatever you go buy, Zephyr, Renegade, don't matter. This is a must. And this as well. Man, oh man, we might even do some shopping today. Look at that. Let's go Jets. Jet ETS, baby. Come on. You're not from Jersey? What, Giants? Nah. Jets. Check this out. Once again, welcome to Kenly 95. In Kenly, North Carolina. But anyways, it was so hot, 95 degrees. Woo! All I did was take that t-shirt spinner in the shipping department, and I already got sweating, so I had to change. 95 degrees, beautiful. I'm not complaining. I love it. And I love this store too. Look at the little cute toys for your little one. Or this one, the symbol of Kenly. I'm about to get myself some socks, baby. Kenly 95 socks. Come on, get in there. $8. $8 hollers. See what I'm saying? When I say they got everything, dude, they got everything. From t-shirts to lives, some kind of weird collection to whatever. Check this out. Check this out. See, they got a nice collection. Nice collection. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Who is that hard-working woman? You are. Hey, listen. This is Ashley. If you ever need help with Kenly 95, this is the woman to contact. She'll help you out. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time.
Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, let's roll on, get my coffee, and out of here.